Yeah, hey guys. Hope I'm audible. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to another stream. Hey, hi developer. Thanks for joining the stream. Then also thanks for liking. I think either developer or learn or die. One of you has just liked the stream before joining only, so which is really good. Not sure which one of you, but I just saw the like counter increasing. Uh, so thank you guys. Um, so I know that I am early today. So I might come early, right? So my work kind of ends when like after 10 I could come live anytime. Okay, both also. Nice, nice. Thanks, guys. Uh, so I think yesterday we did 62, right? Yeah, 62. So let's go to 63. That's a really good that we don't have bi-weekly. So I think bi-weekly count is it like 63 only? Oh, nice. See how old 2019. Okay, I'll start the virtual contest. Mm-hmm. We'll make it Java. So if anyone is coming in new to the stream, feel free to when I go to sleep around 12, 12:30 or 1. Right? Haha, Piyush. Thank you, bro. I'm good, bro. How are you, Piyush? How's your prep? How's your health? So I take up some questions. I made the font of this smaller. Um, Probably some of the things that I'll get a lot of questions is this. So let me send that in chat and then probably pin. Everything is here, guys. I think even on the channel. Nice, nice, bro. Hello, Manish. Hello, bro. Hello to all the members. I'll be chatting like the first question. So one more thing that I have thought of is that if I am able to solve two, and also you'll be able to see this. So that's pretty cool, right? I used to do like this only earlier. So that's pretty nice. Probably I have a small area, but I can increase that. I think we can increase this because we don't really need too much big of a code. But yeah, that said, let me get rid of this. Uh, Extension, bro. Just download that extension, developer. Its extension is called VS Code. K times. So what I was saying this, if I am able to solve two, then it is a good day. Three, then it is a great day. If I am able to solve, then it's what is better than good and great. So is it like okay, it's coming on the right. What is better than good? Great, yeah, whatever is like good and great day. Then the day is both good and great. But if I'm able to do one, then okay, day is okay. None, I think none will never be a scenario. I do live streams for 1 or 2 hours either by learning or anything. I'll at least solve one if I'm, yeah, yeah, very good. Bro, you have to do upskill in your life, right? Even if whether you have pressure, if I had no pressure, then I would be doing live stream the whole day. There is a reason that I come at 10:30 after finishing all my work. That's how you have to upskill. Doesn't matter whether your job demands. That's why you don't see me live during the day, right? Mm. Bro, when we were in school, how much hard work we used to do. Go to school, go to tuition, study, then do that again and again. So once your job will start, you will understand how hard it is. So instead of appreciating, you guys should appreciate it more. Like, and also lead codes a day is really good. So given a 2D grid array and you need to make the grid of ij moves to the next element. So if this is a grid A, B, C, D, E, F, so A goes to B, that is the first thing. And the element and the end. So basically it's a this switch, right? This is the rotation and then what is happening in the. Okay, so all the elements move down and then this element is moving to this. Is it? But this element should move here, right? No, no, no. So second I misread. So you go to J plus 1, that is the next row. So A to B, that is the first move. And N minus 1 moves to, okay, so it comes here. Okay, so basically rotation is A, B, C, D, E, F. It becomes F. So let's first tackle A, B, C, right? A, B, C, D, E, and F. This is the rotation, and I need to do this K times. Is it? But is the brute force only, but it's tricky to just. K is approximately 100 only, so we'll do brute force only. But just need to be little bit cautious about how we are tackling all the operations, right? So plain brute force, but yeah, with some. Need to pick this element, right? I'm just thinking how I would tackle the J part. Okay, so now let's say K is 1, right? So what we have just now done is K 1, 2, 3. So you 3 both are 3, 3. You kept say 1 into 2. So you said okay, that is your 1 temp. And then your 3 is also temp. That is 2. Now when you move to the next line, right? How do you safely move such that you so first of all let me do a one. So you come in, this will be 1, and then you come to this save. So your save will be again 1. So this will be 2. You save that and change this grid of ij to temp, which is 1, and then your save is now 2. So to come again here, because your j, which was now j is 1, which is again 2 is less than 3. So you save 3 and then you change that with 2. That is correct. So far we have 1 and 2. So then you move to the next line, right? Now here in your temp, you have a array. You have 3 basically. What would be the best way to rotate it? Koishi Raj, bro, I don't solve sheet, bro. I take participate in weekly contests virtual so that uh, you see unseen problems. But now, so that you have 4, what would you do with that? So you have 1, 2, 3. So in your temp, you have 3, right? So if I plus 1 is less than 10, then your int save becomes grid of I plus 1 comma j, and your grid of I plus 1 comma j becomes temp, and temps becomes save. Okay, right. Okay, so now you have done that. What else? So then your temp would be, now IA you have increased, temp is good. So you need to increase your, you need to add a check for this last element, right? That has to go to 9. So if I else grid of 0 comma 0 is equal to temp. Basically now you have to increase your I in both of the points, right? And then you'll do the same thing. Uh, just testing it first. Looks like it is correct for the first case. Correct for the second as well. Yeah, it is correct. Seems correct. But we will only know once we test it out. Is it okay? Yeah, it's a easy problem, bro. But I am not using extra space. But then I think probably, like in contest, you can use anything as long as your solution works. But in this, why would you need to use extra space? You can, like, you are thinking of making it a array and then doing rotation. That kind of defeats the purpose of the interview. Like, not the contest, basically, not interview. Jayaprakash, yes, bro. Uh, you are new to the channel. So just for you, just wait a minute and I'll give you an overview of the channel. You can read more about this here. Uh, Arrays.as list, what is the arrays.as list is the correct thing, but why is it saying that arrays.as list? Arrays.as list grid of I. What is wrong with this? Probably I'll follow different method then. List.add new array list for int j is equal to 0, j less than m, j plus plus list.get I dot add j, right? Add grid of I, comma j. One another thing is that you don't get expected thing during your this thing. That is another plus point. Cool. So for you, right? Yes, bro. Live stream happens daily after after 10. So thanks to all the members who have subscribed. So this is like it happens daily. So we are at 105, section 105. I solve problems and I answer doubts if I am worthy of any questions, right? You can know a little more about me on the right side I have written, or you can visit this link also if you have any questions. Bro, this stream, like you can ask your questions and you can practice on the side. That would be one advice. And just like that, you have asked the question, right? So you are in a really good place. You are in IIT Roorkee, and then so your company placements. First thing that I would say is that if your year has just started, you should focus on DSA and then get a placement, internship. First of all, that should be my tip to you. But basic understanding of DSA is not gonna cut for you. So you need to grind LeetCode a lot, participate in contests, improve rating. But in IIT, mostly the culture of code forces is also there. So feel free to do that also based on your level. But I generally talk about DSA only. Prakash, bro, focus on 10:30. It sometimes happen from 10 only, 10 or 10:30. Yeah, thank you, bro. Like if you guys are joining the stream and then at least solving one or two problems along with me only, then you guys are on the right track, right? I have not always been very hardworking, bro. I have had a lot of fun also. Don't misuse that I have not always been like that. So see, from October to this, no submissions, and then I can show you this also. See, It's not like that I have been always been doing. After getting placed, I also enjoyed. But then I again got back on track, right? So it's life is full of bro hard work and have fun. That's the purpose of life. In the end, nothing will remain. Solved three questions. Nice, nice, Unix Factory. How many you were able to solve earlier? I have solved just one as of now. So I was just saying that if I am able to solve one, I started the live little bit early today. So if I am able to solve one, it is okay. Okay day. If I am able to solve two, then it is good. Then if I am able to three, then it is great. If I am able to do four, then it is good, great. But okay is also good. So I'm already at a okay as of now. Oh, like let's go, bro. Then that's a really good thing. You would have really felt that. You would have felt think that. Have you guys seen Pursuit of Happiness movie? Given a binary tree with following rules. Yeah, that movie is really good, right? So you do so much of work and then just for a small pursuit, it's movement, right? So what was your rank UNS Factory in the virtual contest? Ritik, yes, bro. If you don't have any leverage on the offer, then that's what you. It doesn't matter whether they are lowballing you or not, right? Take what you have now. There is no point. What is this? Show your support for a lead engineer. Oh, I myself can pay. Wow, that's nice. Harvinder Singh, yes, bro, that is true. But they like if you are starting with harder problems, it is not going to help you, right? You have to build your base, just like LLM has built its base. So given a binary tree, okay, your root value is 0 for any tree node, tree value is x, and then the left is not null. Yeah, simple binary. This is binary tree concept. Okay, that is okay. Now the binary tree is contaminated, which means all the values have been changed to -1. But this is a very easy problem. First, you will recover the tree. Basically, you just need to build the tree, right? You have root. Oh, I did not expect this to be this easy. 0, 1, 2, 1 star 2 plus 1. Oh no, 2 star. So this would be 3, this would be 4, right? And then you have to do. Yeah, yeah. That is good, bro. That is good. Yeah, that happens with Harvinder Singh. Is my voice audible, bro? Yeah, hi Fazan, bro. Yeah, the stream is little bit laggy, so I was not sure. And then I think today, no, we don't have many, the audience is very less for some reason. Mhm. Now, I'm not sure whether I need to do binary search in the below thing, but so far I think no. I'm just testing some of the things. Good night, bro. Good night. Hey, hi Faizan, what's up, bro? Really good rank so far with talking and all. So I've achieved these two. The day is already good. Mhm. Greatest sum divisible by 3 given an array. Mhm. Mm. Given an integer array, return the maximum possible sum of elements or such that it is divisible by 3. I have just reached to this question, Harshal. I'm not even like I know that you have ended something about the project, but I've just solved these two. So now I'm not looking at your hint. Given an array, return the maximum possible sum such that it is divisible by 3. We can choose any element. Given return the maximum, any 3 elements we can pick. And I think 3 has also some case, right? So DP, DP. Do DP, right? Pick or not pick. But in DP, like how would you know that remainder? I think remainder will be helpful here. Yeah, if sum of remainder is 3, then the whole number is divisible also, right? That is my take. Okay, Herschel was saying that in this, I think we can make subarray and then sum, then and then return the maximum. Subarrays? No, you can't choose all the subarrays, bro. That is brute force, if I'm understanding you correct. But I think if the sum of remainder is 3, then that is a valid option. All the numbers are positive. So here remainder is 0. If sum modulo 3 is equal to... But how would you calculate all of those numbers, bro? That I think the problem that you're saying that is brute force. But what I'm thinking is deep. You solve also, Arshil, if you're solving. I'm thinking of it in a DP way on remainder. Even if it is 1, then also you can take it. But in the end, your remainder should be 0. And then you have to return the sum also. Yeah, I think this looks like maybe it will work, but not really sure. Is anyone watching? I'm not looking at the chat. If anyone is watching, can you put a hi? Shankpuri, bro, I don't take random problems, bro. I absolve the contest. Maybe some other day. Let's go, bro. This is really good. Oh, nice. This would have been like a really good contest. I think hard 8-pointer anyway, I'll not be able to solve. So even with talking and chit-chatting, this was a good contest. No errors, no submissions. Easy contest. Like, so great day. Nice. Calculate the sum of the array, then find the remainder. Keep on. Probably that would also work. Calculate the sum of the array and then find the remainder x. Keep on checking for x. That would be other approach. Probably Kunal, you can try. So Kunal, I forgot to ask you, how did your Google interview went? You had Google interviews, right? Like couple of months back. I think that was the first time then when you joined. Nice consistency. Consistency is the key to success. What is this? Bring LeetCode to your school. Yeah, all the three questions were very well leveled. Probably will read the last question as we have 40 minutes left. We'll see. I think not many people have joined today. Probably everyone is busy. Probably everyone is. Hey Bish, sure bro. Today also I had a session. It was really good. So I'll try to answer your questions to best of my knowledge, bro. Looking forward to it. Oh, sorry to hear that, bro. What was the question that came to you? What was the pattern? Hello, Yash, bro. What's up? Try problems are straightforward, isn't it? Had you not prepared for try? Yeah, yeah. Great day. Unix factory. Great day. The third problem was relatively easy. ADP. The only thing was to know how to reduce a pattern, but great. UNS factory, what do you do, bro? You are working or you are in college? College. You are regular viewer, that's why I'm asking. What do you do? Sorry if you had already told me and I forgot. Oh, 2025 pass out. Okay, okay. But still, I would say that you are way on the right track, bro. Keep applying and then you'll probably find a decent job. Yes, Kasari, bro, go ahead and watch this video on the YouTube. That would be first point. But meanwhile, what I would guide you is that learn a language and just select one language. Oh, okay, okay. Better like next time, bro. Try again after a year. There are a lot of other companies other than Google. So that's why I think as so you should always revise, like including myself, right? Even we should do all the old problems. So again and again, so that we can build the speed, right? Even same is the companies at Atlassian and all that. So stick to one programming language. Yes, sorry. Don't juggle between languages. Yes, it is good, bro. Go ahead with Python and DSA. Nothing wrong with that. I even got referred. I got into Microsoft without referral. So referral doesn't mean that you there is interview call. That's the biggest myth I've ever heard. Hmm. How to solve DP problem, dude? Why were bro? When did I switch? Oh, bro, I did not see it, bro. I don't switch. Like I don't skip questions. I did not see it actually. I was doing something on the side. How to solve, bro? Like this is just now in this session only I have solved a DP problem. So if you know Hindi, watch Aditya's Verma playlist. That is really good. Uh, so I can chill for another 20-30 minutes because I'm already having a great day based on the number of problems. Aditya Verma DP. Hitachi, are you listening, bro? If you're listening, then this is the playlist that you should watch. One of the best playlists out there, and he has like 300 subscribers. So you can kind of know that his channel is good, right? So that would be my advice. And then start solving problems. This is one of the DP problem. Damn, bro, where did the contest go? This is one of the DP problem. Just solved in this contest. You take or you don't take. It's very simple. You can either take something or you cannot take something. DSA also, like his DP is something that I've seen. I have not seen other things personally. So DP is something that I can recommend him for. Pretty good day today. Didn't take help also from the chat. A solid day, I think. Yeah, I have not read it, bro. I have seen it, but I have not read it. When will you resume live contest? Probably never, bro. There is no need. Uh, maybe after doing from where I can revise. From where I can revise. Vijitra. Hitachi, bro. I think you can leverage ChatGPT for it. That would be the best way. Or you can learn from GFG. I always shortest part algorithm Uber used. Did they already used? Use, bro. There is a difference between how many problems you have solved and how many problems you have. When I was in your stage in second year, I did not even know about LeetCode. So compare yourself with how you were doing yesterday. not with anyone else, right? Especially with someone who is experienced, there is no point. Shortest part algorithm Uber used. Bro, he is talking about a new paper that has been like in that paper also. Two of the people who are the authors, they are competitive programmers, right? They are read on LeetCode. Sorry, they are read on Code Forces. Like I think legendary grandmasters. Bro, you already have a 3 years gap, Nick. So not sure what are you going to say about that. But company, you should not even that's why company is okay, bro. I think you should not judge someone based on where they work at. They could be extremely good and might be working at a company name that you don't really know. So you should not judge that based on the company. Even I think it is okay in college, we all kind of have that to judge, but yeah, that should not be the right metrics to judge basically. We'll probably read this problem instead. Oh, bro, this problem is itself, the problem statement itself is crazy. So, a shoe gamer pushes the ball around. There is a grid where, yeah, this kind of problem is something that you can expect in your rubric, probably when you're in college, Ubers, LLD, this kind of problem comes. Guardian board. Bro, today I'm doing this thing. That's why I've kept it. It is not there, but I will bring it. I have given away and turn role I solved to 1 month past. That is not a, there is no surety, bro. Competitive programmers are on a different, that is true. There is no surety whether you will get a call. Even I solved both of the problems when I was in college. Feel free to hit this like, guys, if you find the stream helpful. VIT Vellore, bro. I'm from VIT Vellore. VIT, 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 VIT. Which college are you from, Hitachi? Rajesh bro, sorry, Abish bro, it is not off topic. So in AMA, basically ask me anything means that you can ask me anything, whether it is design or DSA related. You can expect a response from me, whether it is related to these two or interviews, right? But you can ask, damn bro, I'm really sorry to hear that. Yes, I knew it when I was doing it, but again, then I forgot it. So DP bit masking, even that is good. Like if you have constraints of 10 to power 8 and all that, then it is helpful. But coming to your question, Avish, so if you have 3 years of experience, what you are going doing in your current company, that matters more. Okay, so that has more advantage other than other things. Uh, Once you have 3 years of careers of experience. Uh, Rajesh, how to stay consistent in solving? By solving problems, bro. I have been consistent now. Or get inspiration, right? Do it in the morning. That would be the simplest thing. I don't know if this has occurred to you, but why organization asks things which are not taught in the college and college teaches us those things which are that is very true, right? Why do you think I'm here? Tell the right way to Hitachi. I've already told. I don't see a solution in this three problems I have solved. I have not seen the solution. I only see the solution if I have not like if anything is not coming to my mind for 1 hour. But probably Hitachi, your why your name is very Hitachi is very similar to probably you have not watched this video, so you can watch this video that has more insights, even Excalibur. So, but to answer your Herschel error, that is true, bro. I don't know what is the reason behind it. Maybe that the gap is there, but this gap is smaller in IITs, right? In IITs, your seniors are good that they will spoon feed you that okay, you have to do DSA, you have to do DSA, right? But it's not the same in other colleges. This happens with everyone, Harshil. So, Bish, good projection doesn't matter once you have 3 to 4 years of experience, at least that's what I believe. Rajesh, how to stay consistent by coming up every day to lead code and then solving problems, at least spending 2 hours on that. Because if you eventually want to get a good job, then that is important. I have 5 year gap. A stone gamer is a storekeeper is a game in which player pushes a box around in a warehouse trying to get them to target location. M cross N is the grid where each element is a wall, floor, or a box. So it could be. So your task, so it could be wall, floor, or a box, right? So wall, floor, or box, right? Uh, Your task is to move the box to B to target position T, and you can push it left, right. I think I have solved similar problem. If it is S, S represents the player, so you have S, S is a player, and then this problem is something, it's like 2300 rated. So if I really want to become a guardian, I at least need to understand it, right? That's why I'm reading it. So your task is to move the box to the target. Okay. S is the player, and you can probably push it. So the character dot represents the floor. Okay. It's obstacle. There is only one B. The box can be. It's like a game, right? It's like a game. Minimum number of pushes is what you need to return. Crazy question, bro. Really good question. So whenever I don't know the question, right, and I know that it is above my level, I at least try to write. Everyone has played this game, I think. I at least try to write it so that you understand it more by writing, right? So what is the best I can do, right? I try to do that. So let's just write first of the test case. What this helps in achieving is, right, it at least helps in visualizing the problem better. Little bit better. Now basically what we need to do is, right, so I am here, right? This is where I'm at. Start. So I am here. I can push the box left or I can push it right. First I'll go here and then from here I can push it. So one, two, does that count as a push? No, I think so. So one push to go here, one push to go here, and then you would come tick 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 down and then push it from here. Is that how it is coming? Yeah, that's how it is coming, bro. Damn. It doesn't even feel like a DSA problem. Your video is too good. Oh, let's go, bro. This is kind of motivation that helps. No, Hitachi. Thanks for the appreciation, Yash Kashari. If you like it, please feel free to like this stream. The one thing is there that box all the no bro, I don't have app company. No bro, I don't have experience. One thing that I can think of is that box side either left and right should be empty, then only you will be able to move forward, right? Why this color is, how can I change the color of this? Highlighter color is very annoying here. Here it is coming red. The constraints are very less, so it becomes a backtracking problem. Backtracking, like even to come up with the brute force of this question is like really good. If one can come up with a brute force, that would be like really awesome. Okay, so if let's say we remove the player out of the picture, right? Let's make this problem easy. So you will go like this and then reach here, right? So one push, second, third. So three pushes. So there should be a valid path basically from here to here. But let's say if the T was here, then this would be the path. But that is also not always true. You should be able to push from somewhere to B, right? So B is either left or right should be empty. No idea, bro. I have no idea. Even only 150 people were able to solve it. That shows how tough this problem was. So if we go to this, right, how many people were actually able to solve it? 150, I think. More than 150 actually. Probably 300. Yeah, no, not even 300. So after 400, after 200, no one was able to solve this problem. Tough problem. But I'll be reading the tutorial, right? I'll be reading the tutorial. That's the best I can do. Is the contest over? Yes, I think it is over, right? So let's just read the hint. We represent search state, player row, player column, box row, and box column. Okay. So you have box and then player. So 0, 1, 0 1 2 3 4 5 0 1 2 3 4 5. So 4 comma 4 2 comma 3. No, no, bro. There is no, bro. Hitachi, that will not be accepted. Because it defeats the purpose of linked list, right? Hitachi, bro, watch a YouTube video, bro. Watch a YouTube video, you will understand, bro. Just have to change the pointers from left to right. That's it. Skip.
LeetCode problem minimum moves to move a
I will watch this 30-minute video. Okay, cool, guys. I'll end the stream. I'll watch that 30-minute video. Hitachi, you are watching? You are still watching? Let me know quickly if you are watching. I'll quickly explain the linked list, bro. Quickly, I'll take 2 minutes. It's a popular question. It has chances of coming up in an interview. Okay, so Hitachi is not there. You can just watch a video. Hitachi is very simple, straightforward. But I would say if you're just starting out, then it's not. So this is your linked list. Then you have head. Bro, you guys don't need to know the linked list, right? What is the so basic thing is that you need to remove this and go back to that. Oh, bro. So node 1 points to node 2, points to node 3, right? And this points to null. So you are given current, basically. This is the best case possible. Now, the reverse linked list would be like this, N1, N2, and N3, right? You have to change these pointers, basically. Now, how you can change it is, right? It's just a switch. So, so this, what it will have here, it will have null, right? So this will be null, right? So its next pointer is going to be null. So one way that you can say is that, okay, I'll make it null, right? But if you make this null, what is going to happen is, if you make this null, you will lose this, right? So you need to save N2. So how you can do is just have a variable, right? Or you can say a node previous, right? So you can, Also for next year, Manas, congrats, bro. Yep, good for you. So you will have internship next year, is it? You were planning to have internship this year, but like 2025, that's what you're saying, right? But that is really good, bro. Meanwhile, you can do more CP. That's good. So, but yeah, that's what it is. So, uh, just you need to move this pointer. Just watch a video, Hitachi. With that, okay, I'll end the stream, guys. I also want to watch this video by Ricto. This is a really good channel. So he explains in a really nice manner. So bye, take care, guys. Have fun. Manas, all the very best, bro. Thank you.